I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low.
Hello my Cakesters, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment. Follow me on all socials at _Kimberly.o_, and let's get straight into this week's weekly vlog. It's starting on a Monday. As you guys saw in the previous clips, I went ahead and did my morning routine and I made breakfast. Like it. Yeah, your girl made breakfast. Today on the to-do list, we are going to head to Caymanas to do my first delivery. It's actually 23 minutes away, so that's good. And then when I head back in Portmore, I'm going to go ahead and go to the car wash. Because if you don't know, so that I have a silver car and the dirt turn up strong. When it gets to the dirt from fine at the doll car, I'm gonna love that. Not to mention inside, so we're going to head to the car wash after. Oh, no, already, we're gonna do a karaoke session. But it's gonna be like a different because the doll have to go drive and hold up the camera car on our camera on. But we're working on it, yeah. Let's go ahead and kickstart our little vloggy vlog.
She go cuckoo, come a new job now. Christian village and spa when you night come. And you see in America when you white room. A regular, I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe.
I just finished my delivery. Pretty in and out. Direction on Google Maps never so bad. It's actually my very first time though driving around here so by myself. I normally communicate with my boyfriend. I never know say the road really so narrow because them down there don't know nothing about driving. But I'm going to head back into Portmore now and head to the car wash. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and actually grab a cheese patty and drink some water while the car wash. I'm trying not to drink Pepsi. So I grab my Stanley because you know it's a cute cup motivates us to drink more. I'm going to head inside now and grab the cheese patty. I'm not bringing them because at lunchtime for working class people and can't believe them at the man. Sometimes they steer too much. So when I'm coming back, we'll just head straight to the car wash and have patients washed. I got a Red Bull and a cheese patty. Shockingly, Red Bull in the cheap, but it was just $3. Let's head to the car wash. Explain to me why at 2:30 the car wash have 6 people. Like when I go, I'ma see me kiss my teeth and I'm saying I'm gonna ask her because the last time when I did something like that, like kiss my teeth and left and never asked, she saw me the next time and she was like, you know, so them car they done wash already actually like next time if I ask. So I went and she's like 1, 2 and she can and I'm like 1 too many cars. I'll come back tomorrow. And she laughed and she said, alright then. So I'll be going to the car wash tomorrow. I'm gonna just wake up early and go. Yeah, that's it for today's portion of the vlog. I really wanted to wash the car because when I came out of juice to the car, nobody looked fabulous like my shame. I'll pick you guys up tomorrow. I hope that you guys love spending the day with me today. Let's see what tomorrow holds. And I say that I'll wake up in a good spirit. Hello. It's a beautiful day. Let me give you guys a little backstory though. When me that someone said tomorrow I'm gonna pick on up, never realized that December 31st, which is New Year's Eve, and I literally had no plans, but we end up have plans or we'd have to end up go to the hospital, but we were led to the church after and we'll go church, and then I literally just stayed up until about 5 a.m. editing my New Year reset, so you can go ahead and check out that video. And then New Year's Day, all we did was to grab Popeyes and then go on the hill and sit and eat it. Not much to vlog if you take out my camera. This is actually my first time recording in the new year, and listen, love it. 2025 does feel like a bunch bunch of joy and excitement, like literally. Today is going to be a car day. Yeah. On the already patient she acted out a little bit, and it's really because her mama wasn't taking care of her. But big mama is here, okay? So the tire is so leaking, so I need to go to the tire shop and ask if it should be greased or patched, because my boyfriend was saying that he feels as if that it just needs to be greased because that didn't happen to film tire, but he suggested that I go to the tire shop and find out that. So right now she has slow leak. I was about to put air in the tire and he's like, no, if I put air in the tire, all them are gonna know what I talk about, right? I'm going to also go ahead and go to Berts. I actually checked the front end of the car like in November, and they said I needed 2 front end shocks and a rack and pinion. So I'm going to check out the price of the rack and pinion and then tell my father-in-law so he can go ahead and tell me how much to fix it, so the guy can fix it, because him no do that type of work because that I get it for free. So that's literally what I have planned for today. It's gonna be a car day. I'm dedicating a whole day to sort out them little stuff up on my car so I can know the prices and then I can budget for it, because I don't know already. The doll not just get up on the one big spend it. We'll have to budget for it so I can know how best I can fix it by a specific time, right? I don't know already. I love a coffee, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my coffee at Starbucks. I literally don't know what to get, but when I go inside, I decide what I'm going to have. But for the new year, I want to intake Starbucks less. Like literally, like I need to. When I looked at an overview of how much money I spent on Starbucks, that could have literally fixed my car right now. Like no cap. So I want to reduce my intake to probably once a week or twice a week and use up my free coupon then, because sometimes I get free coupons. So yeah, let's go ahead and grab some coffee. I'm back in the car with my Starbucks. Let me tell you guys my order. It is a grande ice cranberry white mocha with espresso and it's whole milk. You know, so the doll not for do whole milk, you know, but I don't know, it's who and she. I'm very far from home. This is literally my favorite drink for the winter season. I don't ever hear me talk about the holiday cinnamon chai latte. Listen, that is for when but they will more feel snuggly. But this will feel like say once I buy this today, I'm in my date, girl. Too good. I'm going to go ahead now and head to the tire shop, but I'm going to pass on my friend's house and she been and tell me that she buy something for me all along, you know. But I just forget to pick it up. So I messaged her and asked if she was home and she said yes, I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. Oh, I got an egg bacon cheese bagel. Like I was so shocked when she told me them have egg bacon cheese bagel, because at this hour, they might not have that. So I was like, damn. But anyways, let's go ahead and head to the tire shop now. Yeah. I want to do it before traffic and the extra traffic there everywhere to backside. Oh, baby. Thank you so much, princess. Welcome, oh my God, I got me the vanilla. Yes. Make some noise, what the fuck? Thank you, dear. Love you, baby. Y'all see, friends. Listen, I love friends that are so thoughtful. Dee said she watched out on my video there, but she realized that the doll not have no candle, empty candle. Fun fact, guys, after the candle them in my room empty. So Dee gave me candles and a scrubby dubby dub, a trio scrub. We're going to head to the tire shop now. This is a beautiful day, man. Beautiful day. But we look good on the road because sometimes the devil just want you're beautiful in a rose scrub there. But yeah.
New love. Can we get high? New love. No drugs. I'm ready to fly. No drugs. Pull up. If I'm on your mind, pull up above.
The tire is finally fixed. It was $700 and they were so sweet to it. Listen, a long time whenever they're in a public and like when it's a male or mechanic type of thing and them actually comfortable being on the camera, so big them up. They're located on my lines. You know which part the tire them there? Right before you reach there, so one look like yeah, they just driving. And I just got good news. My boyfriend said he's gonna wash my car. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Let's head to Berts so we can get the quotation for the part that I need. I need to go inside with my chassis number and my car papers. Yeah, I think that's what I need to go inside Berts with.
But the girl sit with the chip. Anywhere y'all see me, y'all run like the rose gold on the wrist. Man, I'm styling and this girl wine for the hip. We have vibes in a
I reach at Berts and Berts full. I'll be around at the back. I'm not even know so parking the there around here, so. But I got my car papers. as a car owner, may I go run go in? I probably do vlog in there too because the place looks so damn full. But should I just brave up and do it like it's 2025, girl? What you afraid of? You afraid of? No, I'm not afraid of. Let's go. I want to get glass cleaner. How much feet? 500. But the line too long for cash. That cause I get this as a water alone literally in the car right now. I going to walk up and down and look on a few stuff. Like when I see them have rims, their new cover, car covers. I go and look and see if I see anything that I like. And I like that. So we're back in the car and we're them out of stock. I took like some majority of them parts them out of stock. And that I realized because my boyfriend and I came last week and him that look on parts and him tell him to see March 10th. So I guess them have like a shipment where come during that time, which is understandable because buyers as a business they want to ship us frequently with mass production so you can increase your sales and all of that. Shenanigans, economics, yeah. So I will be coming back on March 10th. The guy will probably like, girl, don't come back March 10th. But I'll be there, Ricky. I'm gonna be there at 9 o'clock, sharp. So yeah, that's the update on the car. It was actually 26,000 they said for the parts, and that's just for the rack and pinion. But I'm going to get a discount. And then I have the front end parts. But you check out that already with my boyfriend. That was 23k. So that is roughly 23 plus 19, 42. That's just for the front. So initially I wanted to for this year to fix the front and the back. So remember the man touched me car in my tire park. Yeah, I have to spray paint that. But they eat one curb one time. I'm there tasting. Never thought about that. So the last time I spray paint my car was 30k, but it was because it was bigger. It was like 2 panel doors and him did for like matchback color. Some artists something go on around there, yeah. So my budget an next 30k for that. So that is going to be 72k. I remember so I want to include the money for the man fix the front end yet because my father-in-law can't fix that as I'm telling him. So my budget about 15k. But could just do a quick maths? That is literally 100,000. So that'll need 100,000 by March. I know that's how you guys probably be like, Kim, we don't understand nothing about car. We're just girls. And I get it. Because I'm a passenger princess by heart and a driver by heart. So I understand if like when me I talk about front end, shocks, parts, this, I don't understand that school girl. But I don't even know nonetheless. Because at the end of the day, if a man do there, we still know how to do it. Yeah, clock it. We can't have 2025 and the dog car those sorts out. And the probably I say, Kim, no recently I get a car. Yeah, I have my car a year now. But here what? In a March, I'm ready for service my car. I never service my car till November. And the reason the car never service till November was because the car literally mid-driveway say, can't go no more. Like the car power down in the driveway. And then everybody all up on me like, yeah, now drive this till it's service. So when them telling us I'm a service in the car in January, it's just a January in the service the car. Don't be like me. Cause right now I'm paying the consequences. Don't be like me. Can't say Kim never tell you no, don't be like me in the service in the car when I'm telling myself for service in the car. And to them telling for the pan in the car, and I do pan in the car. That's it for today's portion of the vlog. I have nothing else to do with the car. Thank God! Belch. Not more for do with the car. So I'm going to go ahead and head back home and edit. So see y'all tomorrow when I'm heading to that chiropractor. Cause no breakup back for 2025. Crazy. It is the next day, but guys, I have to take my time and move. But I tell you no, but then if I come back here, so I a chiropractor. I said last night, would I sleep? I said the night before, would I sleep? It literally feel like, say, me while I lay down like this, my back is like this. Like my boyfriend literally have to hug me and then put a pillow between my back because I couldn't sleep. Like, I literally cry, go straight up. Like, I never cry so long. I cry from about 2 o'clock, go 3 o'clock. And then my daddy and me, I try find a little spot to ease my back. At 6 o'clock, my back ease me. And my appointment is at 11. So, you know, say 4 hours sleep I get. That's why my items so back game. And I feel like the reason why my back hurt me right now because the power steering from my car. Because the rack and pinion get leak out, the power steering get leak out. So, I feel I lock the wheel a lot for even reverse. Sometimes I may go forward, I may make a turn. Like, I literally have a muscle up for like. So, I wonder if I that like trigger my back currently. And then the other day, I was prepping some wigs. Like, I prepped the wig them for about 6 hours. Stand up on my foot. So I sit down. And when I sit down, it's like a spine comes, so, you know. So my spine stay. It was just crazy. But then I say, I don't know. I just because I stand up on my foot and I not stand up on my foot too long. But just the last night proved to me say any Oh, me not come visit the chiropractor today. Me can't go sleep tonight because my back really hurt me. Really hurt me. I just want to say a huge thanks to Gustavo for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. Of course, all the information about this chiropractor will be down in the description box. So you know what that means. On the wrong side up with Gustavo's because I get a huge discount whenever they have promotions going on the site. Can't say me never put in my hand. That's why I look a tour, you know. May I wonder if it's going to be a case where when he might tell something back everybody I got here because I already know some mega ball out because last night my back was being massaged and my ball out, so I know some mega ball out. And imagine a ball out and they have to walk past everybody come out. I said look on that punk, yeah. I mean I want punk for you because why me a ball out? Like why? Can't let me a ball out. Woo! Anyways, my appointment was at 11. It is 11:42 and them said they have a late start and there's 4 people inside, but I have plans. I'm supposed to grab drinks with my girl Chanel at 2, so anyway, pop, but I want to check out my back. Anyway, pop, but I want to check out my back. I did. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and gather the content for the reel that they requested. So I'll pick you guys up once I'm in the doctor's office. Yeah. Hope I have a good experience. I won't lie. Hope I do. Back in the car. So I never expected that. He's saying that I need to walk for at least an hour. I need to ensure that I eat my fruits and my vegetables and intake more water. Because when he did my back, it was mostly tension that has to do with my gastro, which is my digestive system and all of that. And then he said to me, the reason why you're feeling the pain in the back isn't because you lift anything heavy. The doctor said pain is an indication that one of your organs are failing. So, for example, if you have a headache, it means that one of your organs them not going good, so that's why you get the headache. Especially when it's constant. So, the crick when I creep my back, it eases tension a little bit. I'm still feeling it, but not as much. But he says that I should come in for regular visits. It's 66,000 for the regular visits. So I'm going to go on Gustavo's and see if I can at least book 3 more visits. I have some Gustavo's credits. I'll probably use those towards it instead of using it to buy food. So my idea, I think, healthy. I knew more or less that I needed to start walking more because once you get a vehicle, you stop walk. When you stop walk, you gain weight. So I knew that for this year I wanted to walk some more. It's just I'm going to prioritize it now because it literally play a part from my body. The fruits and them type of thing, them, I didn't know. The doctor is like, for my age, I should be eating way better. If I eat my fruits and my vegetable, him tell me to stop skip breakfast because it's really mashing up my digestive system. Because I'm skipping breakfast and when I skip breakfast, I'm eating something oily. I'm not drinking enough water. Morning time, I'm to start my day with some bush tea. I'm going to try my best to do it because I want to be the best version of myself. When I'm young, I'm shit my body so I'm old, I'm full of beer complications. No, I want to be like the country people them. Beer bush them drinks. So when them taste them, I eat it. I say, eat it? Yeah. Them things are more happen to me. A good experience. At first, I was nervous. Like, in people just to me say, you're not going to drop off at the bed, you know. The ground they right, they say, but me no want to drop. Like, I don't want to fall. But it was a really good experience. I definitely recommend trying it if you want to know your health. It is so cool that his profession is able to tell him what's going on inside your body by simply working on your spine. Like, it is so crazy. Like, so crazy. But just glad to him never tell me I have scoliosis and none of them so because that means that something you have to tackle. No. I'm glad that it's something that I can actually work on. And it was actually on my 2025, so that is good because what I had in mind was I'm going to start eating healthier. Even if I don't go to the gym, I'm going to try my best to walk. Because I'm up on a hill half of the time. So I can hold on one umbrella, put on my sunscreen and walk, go up the hill and come back down the hill just to get that exercise. Because from the driveway to the stairs, you know, things say, me I walk from half you got I saw me breathe, so I knew that I had to work on it. So I'm super happy that it's something we can actually fix and not something I have to worry about or have to finance for sort out. So yeah. My friend ended up cancel girls night out with me. Would it be girls night? That'd be girl day out, but she had an emergency where she have to deal with. So I'm like, okay girl, no problem. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna go home and actually edit this vlog so y'all can get it for Sunday. Yeah. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close out this week's weekly vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you guys love this vlog. The secret emoji is going to be doctor. So if you type in doctor and the emoji that comes up, that's gonna be your secret emoji. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.